everybody, welcome back to Dr. Tech Pro channel. In this video tutorial, how can turn it on laptop or computer or modem and router internet and bulb with 12-volt car battery. So let's go to test and learning use. Okay, my friend, for this way you need one car 12-volt battery and one smart fast charger 12 volt, and you need a power inverter converter 12 volt DC to 220 AC. For this case we chose 1500 watt power inverter. You can see here this power inverter. For used battery car in home, you need smart fast charger. For charging battery 12 volt, this charger input voltage is 220 volt AC or 110 AC. And for charging 12 volt car battery, you need connect this alligator negative black. You can see here negative, okay, and positive here. Connect the red wire here. That's good. As you can see here, green LED for charge. I try connect here. As you can see, LED is red, means and fan, turn it on fan, means charging battery 12 volt. Okay, that's good. My battery is full charge, and now we can use power inverter 12 volt to 220 volt AC. First, you need connect these two wire, red and black. Here 12 volt input, positive and negative. I connect this wire, and for now you need connect red to positive. That's good. Black to negative battery. That's good. You can see here output here, and I try turn it on. You can see power is green, means 220 output here. Let's turn it on modem, router, internet and laptop. This flag I put here. That's good. As you can see here, modem router is turn it on. Let's go and try turn it on laptop. That's good. My laptop is turn it on. Okay, my friend, as you can see, Windows and laptop is turn it on, and the modem is turn it on by 12 volt battery. Okay, you can see here my Windows, my laptop is turn it on. I work with Windows. That's good. That's good. Let's test a bulb and charging mobile cell phone. Okay, I put out laptop and try turn it on. LED bulb. Before testing LED bulb and charger mobile, please subscribe Dr. Tech Pro channel and like and opinion. Your comment is very important. Okay, let's go to testing bulb. For you can see here bulb is turning on. Now let's try other option. You can see here USB 5 volt 1A. You can use this USB port for charging mobile. I try charging mobile. Okay, as you can see here, charging mobile. Again, I try charging mobile cell phone. Other option for this power inverter is important option. You can see reverse battery, positive and negative protection, and other options, audio alarm warns of low battery level to auto shutdown and safely shut down if our temperature or overload condition. And you can use this power inverter for operation for TV. For example, operate a 25-inch TV, and you can see here connecting diagram: 12-volt battery, power inverter input, and power inverter output. And if you need use this power inverter for solar panel and solar wind energy, you can see here this wind energy, solar panel, and 12-volt battery, inverter, and output input. Also, in Dr. Tech Pro channel, we introducing this solar power inverter, digital power inverter. As you can see, we introducing this power solar inverter, 3000 watt digital. As you can see, output here and input here. You can see video here. I hope this video useful for you, my friends. Please subscribe Dr. Tech Pro channel and like this video and open and comment. Your comment is very important. Thank you very much and goodbye.